Hi everyone, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to give you my review of Toothsome Chocolate Emporium at Universal Orlando Resort. So come with me to learn all about this awesome restaurant. Toothsome Chocolate Emporium is located in Universal CityWalk, right between the entrances to Universal Studios on the right and Islands of Adventure on the left. They serve way more than just chocolate at Toothsome Chocolate Emporium, though. You can enjoy a great variety of savory entrees here before you order one of their famous over-the-top desserts. Toothsome is themed like a factory at the turn of the 20th century, and the decor is warm and cozy, and my kids loved interacting with these characters. There are a lot of options on the menu at Toothsome. They have a good variety of entrees, but they also have a great selection of appetizers. Because dessert is such an important part of the Toothsome experience, it would be a great place to come and just order appetizers and dessert. The prices at Toothsome are quite reasonable, particularly for theme park dining. And there's a good mixture of familiar and adventurous options. Toothsome also offers an extensive brunch menu with crepes, waffles, quiche, and other options. The desserts are the reason why Toothsome continues to be a fan favorite at Universal Orlando. These desserts are over the top, and they almost have to be seen to be believed. That's why I can't wait for you to see the pictures we have of many of them later in the video. For this meal at Toothsome, I ordered the vegetable garganelli. Our server recommended that I order a side of Alfredo sauce to go on top of it, and I'm really glad that I listened to her suggestion, because without the Alfredo, the dish was a bit bland. My husband ordered the shrimp and lump crab meat macaroni and cheese, which he said was delicious, and our kids enjoyed pasta with marinara sauce. But the star of our dinner was definitely the sundae that we ordered. Yes, that is an entire piece of apple pie on top of our apple cinnamon sundae. It was decadent, delicious, and big enough for all four of us to share.
Good night, my friends. We'll see you soon. How was everything? Did you love it?
If you're too full to order dessert to your table, there are plenty of options that you can choose to take home with you from their bakery and candy cases. I don't know that I've ever seen such a wide variety of chocolate truffles.
If you like macarons, this is the place. that lemon blueberry. It's double color back there. Birthday cake one with the sprinkles on it. And there's also baked goods and that one with cookies and cake and Rice Krispie treats.
I love the theming of this cotton candy machine. Some of Toothsome's most popular items are their milkshakes. Yes, that is an entire piece of cake on top of the one on the left. Overall, we enjoyed this meal at Toothsome Chocolate Emporium, and we can't wait to come back again on future trips to try even more of their menu options. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're thinking of planning your own trip to Universal Orlando Resort, my planning services are completely free if you book your vacation through me for the same cost as booking it on your own on Universal's website. And when you book through me, you get early park admission included at no additional cost, even on ticket-only bookings. That's a perk that's not even available on Universal's own website. For more information or a free quote, visit GingerMMT.com today. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.